What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Invest Like an Old Man. I appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share it. You can also click the alert button so you get notifications. I'm loading up a bunch of videos this week, and then I'm going to start trying to add a video once a week. Once I get to this first 10 or 12, I'm covering all different types of financial topics. For those that don't know, I've been in the financial field for 13 years. I own a small business, a party rental company. I also have a real estate company where I have a couple of rental properties. I don't want to create an impression like I'm some big mogul, but I would say I have a lot of experience. So I feel like I want to share it with people. So today's topic is around day trading. And I'm going to put day trading in the same category as Forex trading and other riskier behaviors. On the surface, none of these things are problematic, right? If you're going to put in the work necessary to become great at it, can you make money in it? You can. What I found over the past couple of years, we've been in a crazy bull market where the market's just been going up, up, up. So what happens is anyone can just put money in a stock, and chances are it's going to go up. And you feel like you are a genius. You feel like you're smart, but the reality is everything's going up, and you're not that smart. And all of these great ideas, all these things that people think are great ideas, they work until they don't work, right? So you can do it for 2 or 3 years, the same way a criminal can sell drugs or rob banks for 3 years. And if you talk to them in the middle of it, they're not trying to hear anything you got to say because they're getting away with it. But one day they get caught and they go to jail. Well, that's how I look at day traders and Forex traders and all of these people that take this extreme risk. I look at them as it's working until it doesn't work, right? But the problem is you can't tell these people anything when they're making money. So the reality is most day traders do not make more money than they would have made had they just put their money in the stock market and left it there, right? If you're going to be a day trader, you're going to have to be in front of your computer all day long. You're going to have to be researching, looking at charts, looking at technical signals, and really just sitting in front of the computer all day long. It's a job. That really, it's investing, but that really is a job. That isn't, passive investing, right? And people always talk about passive income. Passive income doesn't mean that you do nothing to earn it, right? What passive income really means is that the amount of work you do is not directly tied to how much you get paid. So whether you invest or in stocks or real estate, there's some work required. But typically, if you do it right, you're getting paid a lot more money for the little work you're doing than if you were to, go do a job. Day trading is a job, right? It's all day long buying and selling stocks, hoping to make a lot of money off small margins by investing large lump sums based on a stock moving a small amount. So I don't have a problem if someone wants to do it. You're going to see this analogy in my other videos, and this is the strategy that I have. So if I'm at the light with someone and I'm going to speed limit and they come speeding by me and they're switching lanes and they're jumping over, and then I pull up to the light and I look over to the left and I see that person, I always chuckle to myself. And I think, you took all of that risk. You could have got an accident. You could have got a ticket. And you're going to end up right beside me. Right beside me. And they always look straight ahead because they feel stupid. And then when the light turns green, they jam it again. And occasionally, you and that person are going to the same place. And you pull up in the parking lot and they're getting out their car while you're pulling up. Now think about this. This is how I look at day trading. They got there faster. So the plan they did worked that time. But if they did that 100 times, some of those times you're going to beat them because they're going to get a ticket. Some of those times they're going to get a car accident. So to beat you to the store 1 or 2 minutes faster, they risk death. They risk costing themselves money to beat there 1 minute. Is that really worth it, right? That's what I think when I see those people. That's exactly what I think about day traders, Forex traders, and all of these people that are engaging in extremely risky behavior. You might get lucky if you're really good, but here's the truth. You're not that good. You who I'm talking to watching this video, you're not that good. You're going to lose your money because you don't know what the hell you're doing. When I got my licenses, I had to study 8 hours a day for months. I got paid to do it. Unless this is your job, you're not going to be able to take the amount of time that it takes to study to really learn this stuff and master it. So you're just going to be throwing darts at a board, and if the market's going up, you'll make money. If it's going down, you're going to lose a lot of it. And over time, you're just not going to beat the returns of the market. So for the average person, day trading is not a good idea. Forex is not a good idea. Conservative investing with a little risk. If you have some conviction and you put in the work and you believe in a company, it's okay to, kind of purchase that stock and take some risk. But this other stuff that people are getting into is extremely risky, and the overwhelming majority of the people that get into it lose their money and they don't know what the hell they're talking about. And you're gonna hear that as a theme in my videos. People lie. Most of the people lie. They're trying to sucker you out of your money, right? They're trying to make themselves look better than what they really are. Anybody disagrees with what I'm saying because they think it works, I'll put my bank account up. I'll put my investments up. I'll stand behind what I'm saying. I know my method works. Again, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not asking for you anything other than to subscribe. And I'm not trying to get rich off of separating you from your money. You have to ask yourself, what these other people's motives are and why they're telling you this to do this risky behavior. So, as always, I appreciate you taking time to watch the video. Consult with your financial advisor. Do your own research. These are my personal opinions. Don't make any trades or don't not make any trades based strictly on what I'm telling you. Use this as a point to start to learn more and get more information on the topic. Thanks.